Here I would like to conclude our study of search by summarizing of what we have studied. First, we have understood the concept of a state space. We have formulated a search problem. We have found that on a broad category we can search for path, or we can search for final solution where path is not important. In the search for path category, we have studied mainly two types of techniques, namely uninformed search and informed search. Under this, we have studied breadth first search, depth first search, iterative deepening depth first search, uniform cost search, and we have discussed their pros and cons and tactics, everything. In informed search, we have understood the concept of heuristics. We have learned greedy breadth first search. We have learned A star search. We have also proved the notion of A star optimality by an underestimating heuristic. Then, within search for solution, we have come up with the concept of the state space landscape. Objective function. The concept of optimization. We have gone through different features of the state space landscape like global maxima, local maxima, shoulder, plateau, etc. and etc. Then we have studied the hill climbing algorithm. Then we have studied the pros and cons of the hill climbing algorithm, how to mitigate the problems of the hill climbing algorithm, namely random restart, Then we have studied simulated annealing. Next we have studied steepest gradient descent. And we have illustrated it for both single state and multi-state. Then we have also used the concept of search for game playing. We have mainly studied two-player adversarial zero-sum game. We have developed the concept of game tree. Then we have studied Minimax algorithm. And then we have also studied how to optimize the Minimax algorithm using the concept of eval function and a very exquisite algorithmic technique called alpha beta pruning. So this is the entire area, entire vistas of search that we have studied. And as you can see, there are so many topics written across the page sheet, and this only proves that search is problem solving through search is one of the main pillars of artificial intelligence. We have used breadth first search, depth first search for root finding, uniform cost search for root finding. We have found applications of A star also. We have found applications of search for solution for optimization problems, for scheduling job scheduling problems, in workshop scheduling problems, the traveling salesman problem, mathematical optimization problem. And we have also seen in our last lecture, we have seen a glimpse through this multi-state steepest gradient descent illustration, the core methodology of working of artificial neural network, which means search also forms a supportive pillar for the concept of machine learning. Search also provides the main tool for the enterprise of game playing, as we have seen, and that game playing is not only used for playing actual games like chess and go, they are also used, these algorithms are also used for environments which are two-player adversarial zero-sum, and they are not necessarily indoor games. They may be the share market. They may be other economic situations, other political situations where my profit is the other person's loss, or that person's profit is my loss. So any type of competitive environment which matches a game can be competitive environment can be formulated as a game, and these game playing algorithms can therefore be applied on them also. So problem solving through search is a very, very broad spectrum area of artificial intelligence, and within this limited time, it is impossible to go through all the application areas, all the examples, all the mathematical proofs, but still we have seen the important glimpses of the area. Thank you.